more bread? Here. Here. Break it into pieces. Here, no, no, don't give him that. Here, you want more bread? Here, have more bread. No, do not touch them. They might not be that clean. Here. Nika love birds. Go have more. Here. More bread? Yeah, I know. That's pigeon. Here. Give them more. More bread. Well done. Yeah, come back. Come back. And here. Oops. Don't worry. Here, take this. You want some more bread? Okay, I'll give you some more. Here. Here. Bread. Feed the bird. Okay, it's a good feeder. You want some more bread? Okay. Oh, that's a big piece. It's too big. Oh. Oops. Nika, come back. There's some more bread here. Yeah, there's some more bread. Oops. Do not fall. Some more bread. Can she feed them? She can have some bread. Okay. Have some bread. Hold it. No, Nika, that's your bread. That's your snacks, not that one. Oh, oh. Here, come, Nika, come here. Come on, feed them. Well done. Here, some more bread. Yeah, come for some more bread. Look, the birds are here. Look, the birds are here. Bread. Have some bread. Oh, okay, don't worry. Forgot about that. Take this. Feed the birds. Oh, Nika. Be careful with the bird. Where are you? Here. Oh, you talking to the birds here. Okay, you see, Nika has been feeding the birds quite a lot, okay? Bye bye. Nika, bye bye. Wave, say bye to the camera. Here, say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.